Hey all food lovers and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you how to prepare a simple mango pickle at home. Pickle is also known as miskut, achar or lonche. So now let's take a look at the preparation.
Wash the mangoes and wipe it with a clean cloth. Dice the mangoes into 1-inch cubes. Sprinkle sea salt and place in a plastic container. Keep heavy weights over the mangoes and leave them for 4 days, stirring once a day till the green skin color has changed. This is done to remove out excess moisture from the mangoes. After 4 days, drain mango pieces and reserve the liquid. Boil the liquid and keep aside. To make the pickle masala, lightly roast mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds separately. Grind the fenugreek seeds to powder. Mustard seeds should be coarsely ground. You have to lightly roast the red chilli powder and turmeric powder separately. Heat oil in a pan, add Asafoetida and remove from the heat. Allow to cool. Mix the mango pieces with the red chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, coarsely ground mustard seeds, reserved mango water and the oil. Stir to cool. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let it stand for 30 seconds. And then switch off the flame. Allow it to cool down. And then add this oil into the pickle bottle. Fill the jars or bottle with the pickle. If you don't add oil, there will be formation of fungus on the pickle. So basically oil acts as the barrier between the pickle and the air. Seal the jar and allow to mature for 15 days. Once the pickle has matured, refrigerate for a longer shelf life.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you have any questions, suggestions regarding this recipe, you all can write in the comment section below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.